Hi guys, here we are at Cromwell Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Time now is 18:32. Our last closure was at 16. It's gone slowing down pretty now, isn't it? Friday night. Come on, we've got to get more trains than that. Probably it's not time yet. It's 6:30 gone. They usually come at about about 8 o'clock. Green light. Nothing just yet. Here we go. It's too far to see what model it is yet. I think that looks like a... Yeah, I just saw a spark. We've got a 91 coming, guys. I just saw a spark come off the train wires. Moving pretty quick. And windy, they go. Thank you, I'll see you in the next video.